Today I am using my Amazon palette. It is called You Can Be Changeable Fantasy by Prism Makeup. This is it right here. This is it right here. My eye base primer is by Juvia's Place #1. This is my second take on this because I thought I was filming. I have since applied the shimmer eyeshadow, as you can see. This is the base, this is the shimmer eyeshadow. See how pretty it is? Very, very pretty. The palette works well, no fallout. It's beautiful. So today I want to work with both mattes and shimmers. So I just put the white shimmer down, but I wasn't filming. So I just wanted to let you know I have white shimmer down. I'm now going into a brown. They have a brown here. It's very, very dark. I'm going to go right here in the crease. It is very, very dark. And it will show a lot more on the white base. Today's I am grateful for my intuition. I am grateful for my intuition. You should be grateful for your intuition. Listen to your intuition, feel your intuition, and know what to do with it. In the video I did before this, I talk about a list we either have or had when we were dating or we were looking for someone to date. The feedback was very, very good on that. I like it. Thank you for being engaged and staying engaged in the comments. The things I talk about here is either things I've witnessed, I have seen with my friends and family, or I have witnessed my own self. Today, I just want to talk about finances in a relationship. Whether it's boyfriend and girlfriend, whether it's husband and wife, who controls the finances? Is it one person or is it both of you all? I am just putting this in the crease. I'm trying to leave my eyes relaxed without stretching it too much, just so I can get in the crease and above it a little. But please be aware that if you're in a relationship, you need to know what is happening with your finances. Is the other person don't want you to know what's going on in the finances? Do you have any idea what your finances look like? Are you involved in any aspect of your finances? This is the brown. It's a dark brown, but on the white base, you see how it kind of changes color? But this shimmer, take a look at the shimmer. What do you think? This shimmer is cute. Like I said in the first video, this is my first Amazon palette. I usually don't buy palettes from Amazon, but this little palette is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. The fallout, none. I have not seen fallout. I have not seen fallout in this palette. Take a look. And I just use the brown here, this brown. I don't see fallout. It is gorgeous. Today's I am grateful for my intuition. I am grateful for my intuition. You should be grateful for your intuition. Listen to your intuition, feel your intuition, know how to handle what your intuition is telling you. There is a red in there. I am going to take that and put that on the lids. Now I need a small brush. I pick a big brush. But this is a red. But please make sure you know what is going on in your finances. Make sure you are aware of the transactions that are taking place. Because if something happens, do you know what you're supposed to do? Do you know where everything is at? You have to be responsible for yourself and your actions. Do not leave everything to chance. Because if you don't know what's going on in your finances and something happened to the other person, you are responsible for everything. If you're married, you're responsible for that debt. You're responsible for everything. So don't hide your face in the sand. Make sure you know what is going on with your finances. And take care of each other. This is the red. I'm going back into the brown and I'm putting it in the outer corner right here. I'm using a different brush because the other brush is a little damp from the base. I'm using something different. But this is the brown. The brown is pretty. Just fixing the brown, adding more to it because I want the brown to show. There are lots and lots of shimmers in there, lots of pretty shimmers. I am having a hard time, but I will go with this one right here. Let's see how the shimmer performs because so far everything else is very good. I'm going to put it right here on my lids. This is just pretty. You know, it's a very pigmented shimmer. Shimmer is not bright like, very, very bright, but it is pigmented and it is pretty. Is this palette trying to convert me to an Amazon palette? It is pretty. It is beautiful. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna use another shimmer too. I need more shimmer. This shimmer is gorgeous. I'm coming closer. This is very pretty. It's pigmented. This is it right here. It is not big and bright and bold, but it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. This purple shimmer right here, I'm going to take and put in the outer corner. I'm taking a pencil brush and I'll go into it. Like I say, no fallout. This is a really good palette, no fallout. and I'll put it right here. You see how pretty this looks? Pigmented and pretty. Gorgeous. Another beautiful look from my Amazon palette. And this little palette is gorgeous. The colors are pretty. They're not bold, even though they are colorful. They are very, very pretty. Take a look. And I have matte and shimmers. I have 2 mattes and 3 shimmers on my eyes right now. If I didn't tell you this is an Amazon palette, you couldn't have guessed. Take a look at the brow bone. I am loving the brow bone so much. I want to say thank you very much for watching my video. Always remember to take care of yourself. And remember, until I see you and you see me, trust and be grateful for your intuition. Trust and be grateful for your intuition. I will see you in the next video. Please remember to share it with someone else. Bye.